the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get notification. Hello friends, welcome to Planners on a Mission channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the red button to subscribe to my channel, and also I'll be posting videos every week on exam and study tips and education related videos. Exam stress can start when you feel you can't cope with revision or feel pressure from your school or family. You might worry you are going to fail or you won't be able to get the scores you need in your exams. It may seem scary to talk about stress or anxiety. You might feel like nobody else is feeling this way, but bottling up stress and keeping that stress inside you and trying to deal with it on your own can often make the stress worse. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 tips to be free from your stress and exam fear. Watch this video till the end because I am sure this video is going to definitely motivate you and help you. After watching this video, you will be able to tackle any exams in your life, whether it is competitive exam or any school exam. Now let's get started. Number 1. Substitute your negative thoughts with positive thoughts. When we feel anxious, we often give ourselves negative messages like, I can't do this, I am useless and I am going to fail. It can be difficult, but try to replace this with positive thoughts such as, this is just anxiety, it can't harm me, and relax, concentrate, it's going to be okay. Picturing how you would like things to go on can help you feel more positive. Try to imagine yourself turning up to an exam feeling confident and relaxed. It can sometimes feel like your whole future depends on what grades you get. Remember, exams are important, but they are not the only way to a successful future. Lots of people achieve success in life without doing well in school exams. Number 2. Don't bottle it up. Talking to someone you trust like a friend, teacher, or a family member could help. They might not be aware of how your attitude towards your exams is putting pressure on you, but talking about how you are feeling can reduce the pressure and help you to feel more in control. Try to get advice from other young people who may be in the same situation. Remember, if you feel that you can't cope with the pressure or you're feeling stressed, find someone to talk to. Don't keep inside, don't bottle it up. Try talking to people whom you feel comfortable. Number 3. Don't compare yourself to others. As the old saying goes, comparison is a thief of joy. While it is helpful to discuss topics with fellow students and often to revise together, try not to compare other people's revision to your own. Chances are that you are just doing fine, and listening to other people talk about what they have learned will only stress you out and make you feel like you aren't progressing as well as them. Remember, you are your own destiny and you are going to come out in flying colors one day, so stop comparing. Now 6 quick ways to help eliminate exam stress. Number 1. Write down your worries, then throw the paper away. Number 2. Watch or listen to a podcast that makes you laugh. Number 3. Get some sleep. The virtues of a good night's sleep during exam season should not be underestimated. Number 4. Avoid other stressed people. They will do nothing for your stress levels. Number 5. Avoid talks after you have done your exam. You don't need to know how other people fared the exam. You have done your best. You can't go back and change your answers. So the second step you out of the exam hall, focus on your next exam. Number 6. Go for a walk or do some exercise. That's the end of the video, friends. I hope these tips were useful for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and also do comment. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Planners on a Mission. I'll be posting videos every week on the best study tips, exam tips and motivation related videos. Thank you.